People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And I'm making lunch, and I figure, hey, this would be a good time to show you the bread that I made from Resourceful Mama's recipe, because I've cut it to make sandwiches. It comes out firm enough to cut it very, very thin and still be soft enough to eat. I really, really like that. Look how thin that is. Now I did cut a couple of pieces thicker because that's for my sandwich. But folks here, they like, sandwiches like they see in the store, which means it has to be very, very thin. I've already eaten off of this part, so. Yeah, so even though I messed up the amounts of the recipe, the bread itself, very tasty. The crust is tender. The batch is firm. And I'm going to do it again and make more. I'm just going to adjust this so it fits into my bread maker, or I'll just, do everything I did, but then put it into a standard bread pan. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com, and my soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com, and my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned.